This is the Culvert Sizing Interactive Calculator, which determines the proper dimensions for drainage culverts based on your specific hydraulic requirements. Let's start with the drop-down menu for calculation mode. You can calculate required diameter for circular culvert, calculate flow capacity, given diameter, calculate flow velocity, calculate rectangular culvert dimensions, calculate head loss through culvert, or calculate required slope. For this demonstration, we're using calculate required diameter. Now for the input fields. Enter your design flow rate Q in cubic meters per second, culvert slope S as a decimal value, Manning's roughness N, which defaults to 0.013, culvert diameter D in meters, culvert length L in meters, channel width B in meters, channel height H in meters, and entrance loss coefficient K, defaulting to 0.5. For our example, I'll input 10 for design flow rate, 10 for culvert slope, keep Manning's at 0.013, 10 for diameter, 10 for length, 10 for width, 10 for height, and 0.5 for entrance loss. After clicking Calculate, we get a primary result of 0.715 meters required diameter. The flow velocity is 24.94 meters per second. Flow area equals 0.401 square meters. Hydraulic radius is 0.179 meters. Wetted perimeter measures 2.245 meters. The Froude number is 18.84. Notice the warning about high velocity requiring erosion protection. Find the link in the description below.